Hello, 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 and welcome to another video. My name is Soljin Sabangan, your millennial real estate agent. I am located here in Northern California, specifically Silicon Valley, Bay Area, and I also do service outside of the Bay Area, including the Tri-Valley all the way out to Sacramento. Okay. It's a brand new channel, team, so I would love your support. Please like and subscribe. Share a comment out down below. If you know anyone who's looking to buy or sell, pass on this information to them. I'm going to be providing a lot of value. I plan to definitely upload videos every single week. And if there's any specific topics you guys want to talk to me about, real estate related, investment related, real estate investment related, even financial literacy related, shoot me a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to come up with a script to be able to help you with any of these topics, okay? Now, today's video is gonna be on the FHA loan. Okay, being that this is a mortgage related topic, I do have to disclose that I'm a real estate agent. I am not a mortgage loan professional whatsoever. However, the nature of my job, I have to know at least something about mortgage things, right? Related topics. So if you have other concerns or questions regarding the FHA loan, definitely schedule something with a mortgage professional. If you need someone who is very good at, who has a lot of information and knowledgeable about FHA loans, shoot me a message. I'd be happy to get you connected with our in-house lender. Okay. So onwards to the video. Today's topic is on the FHA loan and specifically the 3 benefits of FHA loans, okay? I really am excited to create this video because my niche is really millennials, obviously, millennials, Gen Zers. And during these times, statistics have shown that the millennial generation are the ones who are most likely to move from a renter to a homeowner, right? And specifically a first-time homeowner. So being that as it may, obviously the FHA loan is a huge topic, and it'll provide great value for any first-time home buyers because it's a great program to utilize and take advantage of for purchasing your very first home. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and outline the 3 benefits first, what we're going to talk about. Okay, so the 3 benefits of the FHA loan: number 1 is it's a low down payment as compared to a conventional loan. I'll dive into that a little bit. Number 2 benefit of FHA loan: it doesn't require a high credit score. Okay, and then number 3 benefit is the debt to income ratio is higher versus the conventional loan. So top 3 benefits, all very, very appealing for the millennial generation. So yeah, number 1, a low down payment. So typically, if you are going conventional loan for a home, you're gonna have to save up 20% down in order to purchase that home. Unless you're just totally balling and you're gonna go all in cash and just go with the purchase price, not have to take out a loan. But let's face it, millennial generation, especially here in Northern California, millennial generations aren't able to really save up 20% down, right? That's just a high number with home prices being roughly $800K to $1 million. You're going to have to save 6 figures in order to purchase that home. But with the FHA loan, it only requires 3.5% down for you to be able to buy that home. Now that's a huge difference, right? 20% versus 3.5%. Let's paint this picture a little bit, okay? I'm just gonna use really easy numbers because my mental math isn't that good. But say you're buying a home, purchase price is $100,000. You're gonna apply for a conventional loan. They're going to expect 20% down. So 20% of $100,000 is $20,000. Okay, $20,000 to be able to buy that home. Now, if you go with the FHA route, 3.5% down, all you'll need is $3,500 down to buy that home. A much easier barrier of entry versus 20K. And obviously, if you scale up to what home prices are here in the Bay Area, um, it just okay. So like homes are like 500K. 20% of that is whatever that is. 3.5% is obviously a little cheaper. So just being able to kind of see the value that FHA loan gives you, it gives you that opportunity to actually become a home buyer. And even sometimes that the mortgage payment off an FHA loan would be somewhat similar to what you'd be paying rent wise here in the Bay Area. So oftentimes when you're out there shopping and you're thinking about buying a home and just kind of seeing how you could budget in a mortgage payment into your everyday life, see what you're paying right now in rent and just compare it to what it would look like going FHA route monthly, right? And that's a great way to see if this is a good time for you to purchase a home. And even another thing too is the single family home market is crazy, right? There's not a lot of inventory for single family homes out here in the Bay Area, but condos, townhomes, these things are still there in the market, and that gives you a really good opportunity to kind of take advantage of, right? And it's a great stepping stone. Okay, it's a great stepping stone to kind of take advantage of, and it takes you out of that mode of paying someone else's mortgage, and it actually allows you to build future wealth for yourself and get to that financial freedom. So, yeah, loan down payment, low down payment is the first. Go ahead and talk about benefit number two. Okay, it's lower credit score. Okay, so with the conventional loan, typically how it works when you're applying for that conventional loan is the higher the credit score, 750, 760 and above, the better interest rate you would receive. Uh, right, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Now with the FHA loan, that's totally different. Based off HUD's requirements, all you will need is a credit score of 580 in order to qualify for that 3.5% down payment. 580. So say, if you say you're just keeping up with your monthly payments, you still have credit card debt, but you're keeping up with the payments, you're not late with any payments, you're not missing any monthly payments. A 580 credit score shouldn't be hard to achieve so long that you're taking care of your business, right? Now, say you are below 580, okay? HUD's requirements say that if you are 579 credit score below, they will give you a 10%. You could qualify for a 10% down payment. Okay, better than 20, obviously, but still not as good as that 3.5. If you were my client, I would highly advise you to just, take care of your business, as I said earlier, and just kind of get back into your monthly payments and slowly get that credit score back up to that 580 mark, because that difference from 3.5 to 10 is very significant. So, yeah, great benefit. Allows you to go ahead and still qualify for that 3.5 with a fair credit score of 580. Final benefit of the FHA loan, benefit number 3. Let's talk about debt to income ratio. Okay, so again, when you're qualifying for a conventional loan, typically lenders don't want to see a debt to income ratio of about 43%. Okay, so what that means is 43% of your monthly income is only 43% of that income is allowed to go towards debts, whether that may be credit card debt, car payments, what else? Student loans, for example. Only 43% if you're going for a conventional loan. Now, when you're going for the FHA loan, that actually increases about roughly 10% up to 50%. So 50% of your monthly income can still be dedicated to paying off your credit card loan, that car payment, or your student loans. Okay. Now this is very, very, very great for millennials, because we obviously we come from a generation where we had mass amounts of student debt, right? Student loan debt. Um, we're at a time in our lives where we may have already purchased our first car, and unless we were balling, we financed that car. And number three, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but me, I racked up a lot of credit card debt back in college. I was pretty, financially illiterate, and I was just living life, being young and and dumb, and doing what I was supposed to do at that age. But the FHA loan still allows me to be able, if I wanted to go out and utilize that loan, it still gives me that cushion of being able to kind of like pay off the mistakes that I made in the past, but still be able to qualify for that low down payment and be a homeowner. So that's great. I mean, think about it. Like this FHA loan is almost like it's almost tailor made for a millennial, in which most of us have student loan debt still, and still continuing to pay it off, card payments, so on and so forth. This is such a great program to take advantage of. Okay. Now, I do want to disclose there are some other things that the FH loan comes with, right? PMI is probably the number one thing that everyone's thinking about at this point, which is private mortgage insurance. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in a later video. I really wanted just to focus more on the benefits of this. At the very least, open people's minds about, giving them the feeling that this is possible. Becoming a homeowner is actually possible, and get you out of that mindset of actually no longer paying someone else's mortgage and start focusing on your financial freedom and your financial future. Start putting money towards your own legacy, right? And paying your own mortgage. So yeah, that's really what it is. That's really all it is. I mean, the three benefits of the FHA loan: number one is that low down payment, which is probably the hardest thing for everyone to do, is to save up 20%. FHA just 3.5. Lower credit score. If you're at a point where you're building that credit score, you made some bad decisions in the past, and you're still kind of trying to fix that. The FHA loan kind of remedies that for you. And then that debt to income ratio, same idea. They're able to kind of overlook that and still give you the opportunity to become a homeowner. So yeah, FHA loan, three benefits. If you have any other questions, comment down below, shoot me a direct message. I would love to be able to help consult with you. And also, again, if you want to talk a little bit more about this and you're actually really interested in becoming pre-qualified for an FHA loan, I'd be happy to introduce you to our in-house lender. She's awesome. She's actually pre-approved one of my newest clients. He's actually looking for a house in Sacramento, and he's been approved for an FHA loan for a property over there. So yeah, but that's all I got, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, comment, like, subscribe, and I'm looking forward to continuing to post very valuable and helpful videos for all you future all you future homeowners, future millennial homeowners. All right, that's it. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.